Yeah, hi everyone. So welcome to SK Technologies. So in this tutorial, I will try to explain you about CI/CD tool, which is Jenkins. Very popular tool. So in the real time, 90% people are using this tool. So especially for the deployments. So the CI/CD, there is there is no any project without CI/CD. Whoever following the DevOps methodologies. So definitely they are using the CI/CD tools. With help of this only, they are making the automation on deployments. The main DevOps engineer role is deployment only, right? So with help of the CI/CD tool only, people are making the automation in their deployments, application deployments. This CI/CD not only for the application deployment, if there is any installation activities or testing activities, okay, so nowadays everybody using this CI/CD even for the Ansible playbooks also. So somebody written the Ansible playbook for some automation, but how they are calling, how they are triggering the playbook, so with help of this CI/CD tools only. Okay, so nowadays even they developed their own CI/CDs, auto engine IBM product, okay, and bamboo, this is also CI/CD. So out of this, the Jenkins is very popular because of it's a open source, so no need to pay anything to vendor. You can simply go and download it, install it, and you can start your automation in lower environments. So the even enterprise edition also available, but when you are following, when you are working in the production environment, so people are taking the enterprise editions, but lower environments like dev, QA, UAT, this and all, so open source is sufficient. In case if you get any issues, so many blocks will be, then easily you can identify and fix the issues. Fine. So this is the main tool. As a DevOps engineer, always you are working here on this tool only on your daily basis, regular basis activities. So without CI/CD, there is no project. Okay, so definitely you should keep more effort. So far we discussed so many integration tools, right? Maven, SonarCube, Nexus, and before that SEM tool, GitHub, before that operating system Linux, and the deployment tools also we discussed already, so like Docker. So this is the tool, okay. So CI/CD tool only integrating all your integration tools and deployments tools. So with help of the CI/CD only, we are utilizing all those tools and we are making our deployments as a automation. Okay, so here 90% automation and 100% automation also available. Okay, even see if somebody developed some jobs, okay, so in the job he defined so many automation stuff. Even the job, if you want to trigger, if you want to run the job, you need to log in the Jenkins, right? Even Jenkins login also not required. So that's the see, just 100% automation. Whenever a request rise, then immediately it will trigger the job and perform the automation stuff. Then he will get the notification over emails. So many things are there. So no need to even trigger the job itself. Okay, so slowly we will deep dig into the Jenkins contents. Okay, so today I will just show you what are the things we are going to be discussed in this Jenkins tutorial. Then next videos onwards I will start one by one. Fine. So very at, at the beginning, let me write content. Okay, so at the beginning we will start the Jenkins intro. What is this Jenkins? I already explained, but anyhow, we will see what is this Jenkins, how it is developed, and the history about the Jenkins. All the things we will see in the Jenkins intro. Then The main thing is Jenkins Jobs. Before Jobs, Jenkins Installation. Installation also very important, guys, because you are the person to install your Jenkins. Of course, you can get help from the operating system team. Of course, you can get support from the operating system team. But as a DevOps engineer, you are the persons to completely taking care of your Jenkins. Okay, so we will see Jenkins installation, then Jenkins dashboard setup. Okay, so dashboard setup. This is also very important, guys. Then Jenkins jobs. This is the main thing actually. Okay, always we are working on the Jenkins jobs, very important. So there are various types of jobs, freestyle freestyle jobs, then Maven jobs. Okay, so Maven jobs, then pipeline jobs. 99% people are using this pipeline jobs only. So before we are jumping into the pipeline, you have to understand what is the job, what we are doing here. So that's the reason I will explain these three. Any one of the out of these two, any one of I will explain. Then I will jump into the pipeline. Okay. So these are the things. There are dynamic pipeline and a few other things also there, pipeline types. So we will see later. Then Jenkins plugins. Okay, so Jenkins plugins, then Jenkins user management, Jenkins users. Okay, so because of see, you are the person, you are the administrator on Jenkins, but sometimes developers also requesting you to provide the access, and how to manage the users in the Jenkins, how to provide access, all the stuff we will discuss under the Jenkins users. Okay, and Jenkins build triggers. Okay, very important topic, build triggers. I told right, 100% we are making the automation with the help of these build triggers only. Okay, we will see all the things. Then master and slaves. Okay, so master and slaves, we will see. Then storage and backup. Okay, so how to take the backup, how to maintaining the storage in the Jenkins, all the stuff we will discuss. Then 10th one, there are a few important topics. Main thing is deployments, right? Deployments. Okay, so Docker deployment and K8 deployment. Okay, so there are huge topics out there, guys. So each and everything is important for the DevOps engineer, because always we are working on this tool only. So every DevOps engineers always they are working on they are focusing on the deployments, right? So how they are doing the deployments means with the help of the CI/CD. Okay, so integration side we will see. So Docker integration. Okay, so integration, Docker integration and Kubernetes integration, these and all we will see. Okay, so this is the entire content of your Jenkins. There if there are any miscellaneous topics, then I will explain those and all later. Okay, so that's it for this video. So in the next video we will start from the Jenkins intro. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching. We will see in the next video. Bye.